Hello, this is Andrea, my beautiful model today. We are shooting on the beach in Mexico actually, and I have a real model from Mexico. That's a big plus for us. Today we're gonna show you how to do like just a beach ready looks. Very easy. I'm not even gonna use a dryer, a curling, and not even a brush. The only thing I'm gonna use is a dry shampoo because she just went to the beach today. So I'm gonna do like dry shampoo first to add a little bit more texture. It's very easy. I'm gonna go like that, split the hand in two. Do just a simple basic braid. Same thing the other side. Then I'm going to use a scarf on her. Then I'm going to use the finishing texture spray, and the hairspray now will come like in travel size. I really want to keep it like this at the end. It looks like very young, very fresh, and I love the texture of it. And voila, she's ready. Smile.